Ball don't lie.
Ball is life. Ball is fucking life. Let's go play basketball outside. Ball is fucking life. Ball is life.
Do you know Wall? Of course you do. You see Wall everywhere. Wall has been around since even before mankind existed. It is not just an activity. It is a lifestyle. Except you do not know Wall like I do. You not Wall. Wall is sacred. You are doing your soil for your blasphemy. These are the consequences for your buggery. Self-mess is punishable.